Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Stocks for Everyone. I wanted to study some midcap stock which is directly or indirectly into BESS sector, which is nothing but battery energy storage system. In that search, I came across this stock called Himadri Speciality Chemicals. So in this video, I want to discuss about few interesting things that I noticed in the Q1 FY26 investor presentation. So, if you want to know what this company does, then according to screener.in, this is one of the cold pitch manufacturers in India, and they are the only company who manufactures advanced carbon materials in India, and they are the largest player in SNF and naphthalene in India. So, in today's video, let us look at few important things like its financial performance, capacity expansion, its new products that is getting added to its portfolio, and etc. So guys, I want to let you know that this video is only for educational purpose. We don't intend to give you any buy or sell recommendation. Please check with your financial advisor before taking any investment decisions. Now first of all, let us look at its recent financial performance. So if you look at the EBITDA reached a new high of 234 crores, which was around 25% year on year increase. And if you look at the PAT stood at 183 crores, which was up 48% year on year. And if you look at the revenue was at 1118 crores, which was slightly lower year on year. And they say that it was mostly attributed to a decline in raw material prices. And if you look at the EBITDA per metric ton, it was approximately around 16,500 rupees. So this was with respect to its financial performance. And if you look at their capex plan, so specialty carbon black capacity is expected to double to 1.3 lakh metric ton by Q3 FY26, and currently they are at the utilization of 99%. And if you look at coal tar pitch capacity expansion is underway, and they are targeting 6 lakh metric ton. And a new terminal has been commissioned in Mangalore aimed at supporting export activity. So this was with respect to their capacity expansion. And if you look at the update in their product portfolio, they're emphasizing on high value applications in sectors like batteries, tires, paints, and defense. And they have entered into B2C segment with the launch of Durofresh, that is for the refined naphthalene balls. And construction is initiated on India's first anthraquinone and carbazole manufacturing facility, and they are expecting their operational to be by Q2 FY27. And if you look at the battery material segment, then LFP cathode manufacturing facility of 40,000 metric ton capacity is targeted for Q3 FY27, and they're projecting the investment between 2,500 to 2,700 crores. And anode materials remain in R&D phase for now, and export prospects could be influenced by trade developments including US anti-dumping measures. So we know all these tariffs and other things that are going on in US, right, between US and India. And if you look at the strategic collaborations, they have collaborated with Sicona and IBC, which is a US based cell manufacturer. Joint venture based gigafactory is expected to be by Q4 FY26. So this is with respect to their battery materials, right? And if you know or you don't know, they have acquired Birla Tides some time back. So if you look at its operations, then commercial operations have begun in May 2025 with Q1 sales reported at 5 crores. So now the Birla Tides acquisition has started to generate revenue for them. And product lineup includes offerings for EVs, OHT or OTR, and SUVs. The planned capex of 250 to 300 crores. This is to focus on leveraging brand presence of this Birla Tides in B2C tire space. So this is with respect to the updates on Birla Tires operation. And if you look at the export growth, exports contributed 34% to overall revenue, and growing demand is observed in European and US markets. They are with a notable position in battery material supply chain outside China with potential early mover benefits. So this is with respect to their export growth. And if you look at the future outlook or guidance, so this is one of the important things that one has to see, because past performance may not assure you about the future performance, right? And even the outlook will not assure you future performance, but at least it will give you some confidence to track this company and see what they are doing, or to see if they can deliver what they promised, right? And if you look at what management said, management has indicated that PAT may double by FY27. So not from FY25 PAT, but from FY24 PAT. So basically they're saying that their PAT which they reported at FY24 will be doubled by FY27. So if they can really do that, we need to see. And company is saying that the actual growth will start post FY27. So they're talking about their longer term growth here, and their presence across specialty materials and battery components might support their future developments. And I wanted to show you one bonus slide. And if you look at the shareholding pattern, then FII sold 5.2% of stake and DII sold 4.83% stake, and promoters are sitting with 51.60%, and public are holding 38.36%. So if you look at the recent activity, then DII shareholding has increased over the last quarter from 4.62% to 4.83%, a slight increase, whereas FII shareholding has declined a bit in the same period from 5.38% to 5.20%. So if you see, they are holding approximately around 10% of the stake in this company, which is not bad, but public holding seems to be a bit high at 38%. So guys, this was a quick video on Himadri Speciality Chemicals Q1 FY26 investor presentation. And let me know if you guys found this video interesting, and if you like this video, then please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Please encourage so that we can come back with more and more videos. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next one.